Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, northwestern Anderson County in upstate South Carolina, central Pickens County in upstate South Carolina, southern Oconee County in upstate South Carolina, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:01 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southwest of Seneca, or near Westminster, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Greenville, Easley, Clemson, Seneca, Pickens, Greer, Malden, and Taylors. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for northeastern Georgia and upstate South Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A few trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. The storm will be accompanied by brief heavy rainfall and little or no lightning. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Anderson, Greenville, Oconee, and Pickens. The National Weather Service in Greenville